So as I mentioned in one of the earlier videos, I'm not really that big of a fan of the original wheels that come on the GR Supra, so I decided to change them up and go with some Fugu Garage HRE P101s. These have a sort of BBS style, a big open wide spoke, and I really like how they look on these cars. So I just first primed them with some Tamiya gray primer, and then painted them in gunmetal. The cool thing about these wheels is that the lug nuts come separately, so it's a lot easier to paint them, and I did that in a contrasting silver. Luckily, this kit comes with some pre-cut templates to put onto the clear parts in order to paint off the black edges and surrounding pieces. They fit perfectly well and are really easy to place. After the masking has been done, I could move on to applying a couple coats of black. I'm just doing this with a brush and some Vallejo acrylic paints. Whilst I still had the black paint on the brush anyway, I decided to paint the inside of the roof in the same black color, just to clean it up a bit as I usually do. The taillight lenses come in a clear plastic and they need to be clear red, so I apply a couple coats of Tamiya clear red with a brush until I'm satisfied with the color that I achieved. And with that done, it's pretty much time for assembly. All of the parts were glued together with some Bob Smith Industries Super Gold Plus. This is a super glue, but it's also safe for clear parts and it works on painted parts. So I don't need to remove any paint on any side of the part. I just apply the super glue and it sticks together really well. After the headlight buckets were fully assembled, I could move on to painting the black edge on the lenses. This is done with a permanent marker. And then it was time for some more assembly, still using the same glue, the Bob Smith Industries Super Gold Plus. On the rear diffuser, there are a couple of clear parts that need to be glued in as well, and there are no backing plates to them, so just to not let them shine through all the way, I paint the backside with some silver. These Fuga Garage wheels also come with separate center caps, so I decided to match those with the brake calipers, which I painted gold just by putting on some paint and then letting that seep into the lower areas and remove it from the higher spots, and therefore create a contrast with the black and the gold. Now these wheels do not come with tires, so I decided to use the kit tires, which fit perfectly well around it, had the same width and also pretty much the same inch size on the outside. Then I could just glue it all together, put those lug nuts in as well, and start trying to test fit them on the car. Now they fit almost perfectly, but they were just sticking out a bit too much, so I decided to mill down a couple of mil on the center cap on the inside just to make them fit in perfectly. The plan was to use the stock Tamiya Toyota logos, which are black, but somehow I decided to mess one up on the front, so I missed a decal. Now I couldn't just leave it without, so I looked through my stash and I found a decal sheet from an old Aoshima kit I built, which had a silver set and also a gold set, and I decided to go with the gold one just to match the calipers and also the center caps and continue that theme around. Now they are not the perfect size and not the perfect font, but they look a heck of a lot better than without the decals at all. With that final bit of paint on the inside of the exhaust tips, this one is finished. I hope you enjoyed this build, and I'll see you on the next one.